we are to find out the equivalent capacitance. So the first question, let us take, and here three capacitors C1, C2, C3 are connected like this way, and we are to calculate the equivalent capacitance between A and B. So for that, at first you have to decide whether they are in series or they are in parallel connection. So two methods we are going to discuss. So one method you can follow these three capacitors. Let the plates, you have to give some number. Say plate 1, plate 2, then 3, plate 4, plate 5, plate 6. Now you see, this plate 1, this plate 1, and plate 4, and plate 5. These are connected to A. From here you can see plate 1 connected to A, plate 4 this is connected to A, and plate 5 it is also connected to A. Then here plate 2, and here which plate is left? Plate 3, and in this case plate 6, and these three are connected to B. It means three capacitor, one plate of each capacitor connected to one end, and other plate of each capacitor connected to other end. It means they are in parallel connection. In that case, these three capacitors are in parallel connection. So that's why C equivalent, directly you can write C1 plus C2 plus C3. And if numerical values are given, you will get the answer in numerical value. There is another way to check whether they are in series connection or in parallel connection. The procedure is this: you just imagine you have taken a wire, just you take a wire and it is connected with a battery. It is connected with a battery of potential, if say it is V, here potential 0. This is another way to check. Now see, along this way there is no device. That's why at this point potential is your V, because there is no potential drop. Next, along this way there is no device, that's why here also potential V. Now at this point potential is 0, go along this way, no device is there, so potential 0. Along this way also 0 potential, here also 0 potential, at this point also 0 potential. Now you see, C1 potential difference V, between V and 0. C2, this capacitor, across this capacitor potential difference V, and along C3 potential difference V. Now what happens? This is your suppose C1, this is your C1, this is your C2, and third capacitor is your suppose C3. Then all these three capacitors are at same potential difference. All these three capacitors having same potential difference. Now it is clear, they have the same potential difference. And as you know, that means when three or more capacitors having the same potential difference, that means they are in parallel connection. That's why it is the case of parallel connection, and C equivalent is equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3. That's it. So two methods we have discussed how to solve this type of question. Thank you.